Today we're gonna make some very easy roasted potatoes with rosemary. Rosemary is my favorite herb to have with potatoes. I think it has such a delicious flavor, especially when you roast them and they get all crunchy with the potato, which we're gonna keep the skin for this recipe. So I washed the potatoes. We're gonna cut these in cubes and do like lines like this. I'm doing like 3, but you can do as much as you want. See, like that. Now we're gonna do our rosemary. You can just grab your rosemary and peel back the leaves like that. I'm gonna get rid of any brown sticks. We're gonna chop these. Okay, so now we have our potatoes, our cut potatoes in a baking sheet pan, and we are going to pour some olive oil on these, extra virgin olive oil, the cut rosemary, chopped rosemary. You can use dried rosemary, but it's never the same. Like, this already smells so good when you chop like fresh rosemary. And then some salt, a good amount of salt on here. It's gonna make them taste so good. And a little bit of pepper or more. I'm not a big fan of pepper because I don't like spicy stuff that much, but you can put however much you want. And then you're going to mix this all together, make sure everything is coated well with the olive oil. And this is gonna go in the oven at 350 for about maybe half an hour. We're gonna sort of move them around halfway through the baking process. All right, so we are going in at 350 for about 30 minutes. And we'll see what comes out. You're gonna toss them around a bit so they cook more evenly. And leave for another 15 minutes more or less. Check this. They're not golden enough. They're supposed to be more crunchy and golden. So I'm gonna up the temperature to 400 and check back in another 15 minutes. All right. I think now we're ready. Yes, see, nice and crispy brown. Oh, it smells so good.